How to get my link on Amazon Associates account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or the Safari and then move into the site amazon.com. Once you are in here, click on this three dot at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and click on Request Desktop Site. Well, your page will be loaded to your desktop site. Now what you want to do is head over to any of the product that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy this product. And then if you are searching for the link, here at the top you can see Get Link. Below Get Link, tap on Text. And there you can see that the link will be visible to you. Now all you want to do is select and copy this link. Once the link has been selected, you can now paste it into your website. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get link on Amazon Associates account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.